Alrighty, welcome back. I'm your man, Bad Chad, and Queen Jolene's in the frame. We have Tim Brown holding the camera, but I'm going to take Jolene for a drive in the 48 Pontiac, and the reason being is I think it rides good. I want Jolene to go for a ride with me, and we'll check things out. There was a lot of conversation about if the shocks were tied in there right, and I think they're tied in there just fine, but I'm going to take Jolene for a ride up the road, and she's going to be the boss.
How many did we lower it?
We lowered it exactly. We lowered it probably, I'm thinking about 5 inches probably in the end. We lowered it with a 3-inch block at first, and then we did it again. We took the springs out, so I'm thinking we're about 5 inches. A good 4 for sure, but a good 5 inches probably. I'm hoping it'll start. But we would like to take you around Nova Scotia and go to a few places. We're kind of, what can I say, we live here. Sometimes we don't get out and do the things that we should do, but there's so much to do here. There's so much to look, to be proud of, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And what we're going to do is maybe we're going to jump in the 38, we'll jump in this one, we'll jump in another car, and we'll go out for a night. We'll show you where we're going, take you there with us. And if you ever come to Nova Scotia, you can do the exact same thing. When we went to Australia, Rod did such an excellent job taking us around every place and showing us things, and we feel like maybe me and Jolene should do that for Nova Scotia, and that's what we're going to do maybe once a week, and it would actually cut back our workload so we could get out and enjoy ourselves, because we work every day. If you do not notice, me and Jolene work every day. There's no way that we can take off and go somewhere if Jolene's loading videos, and I cannot take off and make a video if I'm working in the garage. So basically what we're going to do is 1 day a week, starting very soon, we're going to grab an old car, we're going to go for a ride, we're going to go to a winery, we're going to go to a restaurant, we're going to go to a brewery, or we're going to go to a view of some sort in Nova Scotia. We're going to take you with us, and we hope that you get to enjoy Nova Scotia like we should. Because in all honesty, we do not. And I'm starting to get my blinders are coming off. We have a friend in town. He's not from town. He's from Ontario, and he's been taking us around a few places, and it's like we're only going a few miles away from our own existence, our own home, and all these things are going on, but we're not paying attention because we got our blindfolders on. We're doing a bunch of work. We're trying to work every day, show videos. But I really feel like we should go out maybe once a week and take you with us and show you some of the places that we have been going. And I think it would make for good video content, just so you can see our province of Nova Scotia, what it has to offer, and to help the province of Nova Scotia. Let's face it, when you draw people in to your province, that means there's money being spent, whether you're spending it on a place to stay, you're spending on food to eat, or you're spending on fuel. You are spending your money in Nova Scotia, and why not spend it here as anywhere else? This is a beautiful place, and we want to show you some of the places you could go if you're here. no window. That's good.
Pretty smooth though.
Oh man, not as smooth as you go, baby. A lot of these old cars have no tractors with you. Here and there. Oh, here's a test. Here's a test. Everything went well. Everything went well. The big hole. bad for everybody. Tractors, cars, whatever it is. Because we're right on a corner. Oh, back over top of me. Whatever he's got to do is kind of scary too, right? Because you got a corner coming right here. You cannot see what's coming until you get around that corner. And there's many times that I've come around that corner, something's pulling up, it's bad. You can see how that corner is. You really can't see nothing till you take off, so it's quite a corner. Now you want to pull that punty, Andy? That road, awesome. That steered real good. Awesome. I also looked at the lengths that me and Nate had chopped a couple times. One time we took 3 inches out of them. The next time we added, I think it's 2 3/4 length in it. And the lengths for the shocks, I went out this morning and went in the shop and took a look because there was quite a few comments. They did not have to be changed. They did not have to be changed. Well, when I looked at it this morning, the shock mount coming from the shock box, the bracket that come off that was perfectly straight, and where it mounted on the rear end, so I'm thinking that it had full travel both ways. I think it's actually bang on. So hats off to Nate to figure that out, and I think that we did the right thing by cutting them and lengthening them 2 3/4 or 3 inch, whatever it was supposed to be. Yeah, we got some wheels for the back of the other the project going on inside. Haven't got anything strong enough to take off the wheel nuts to get the wheels to try them on, but we are definitely moving forward. How'd the car look going down the road? Good?
Yep.
It rode nice. Not as nice as you, Jolene, but nice.